What's up, San Antonio?
It had been exactly 10 years I didn't visit the San Antonio Riverwalk, so let's go and explore the best of Texas.
All right, let's check the hotel room.
Alright, it's Saturday afternoon and here I am heading to the Riverwalk, trying to find a parking. This is downtown San Antonio. The iconic San Antonio Riverwalk has a history dating back to 1937 when the Texas legislature created the San Antonio River Authority. Since then, this vibrant downtown attractions keeps getting better and better. Restaurants, bars, hotels, and outdoor amphitheater line the canal with pedestrian paths to either side and a series of picturesque stone footbridges spanning the water. Water taxis shuttle visitors along the canal, and everything's in walking distance of other attractions like the Alamo. The San Antonio Riverwalk is a city park and special case pedestrian street in San Antonio, Texas, one level down from the automobile street. The Riverwalk winds and loops under bridges as two parallel sidewalks lined with restaurants and shops connecting the major tourist draws from the shops at River Center to the Arneson River Theater to Marriage Island to La Villita to Hermes Fair Park to the Tower Life Building to the San Antonio Museum of Art to the Pearl and the city's 5 Spanish colonial missions, which have been named a World Heritage Site, which includes the Alamo. During the annual Springtime Fiesta San Antonio, the river parade features flowery floats that float down the river. The Riverwalk in San Antonio. The Riverwalk has inspired similar projects in other cities, such as the Little Sugar Creek Greenway in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Cherry Creek Greenway in Denver, Colorado, the Bricktown Canal in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and the Santa Lucia Riverwalk in Monterrey, Mexico. San Antonio, the Riverwalk. The best of Texas, actually. Many downtown buildings like the Casino Club building have street entrances and separate river entrances one level below. This separates the automotive service grid from the pedestrian traffic through an intricate network of bridges, walkways, and all staircases. The San Antonio Spurs had their 5 NBA championship victory parades along the Riverwalk. The shops of Paseo del Alamo. This retail space is located in the street-level Hyatt Regency San Antonio Riverwalk Hotel garage. This retail space is on the beautifully gardened and well-maintained pedestrian walkway from the San Antonio Riverwalk to the Alamo. There's a race going on here. They're racing. So busy, San Antonio, the Riverwalk. So busy. It's very hot and humid though. The San Antonio Riverwalk is an iconic treasure to all who visit. It's a place to relax, celebrate, dine, and drink. But did you know it's a public park open 365 days a year that welcomes over 14 million people annually? It's also home to countless special events. Riverwalk, San Antonio.
Today, it's the Air Force that's here in San Antonio, and it's one of the biggest military facilities here. And also the training management. You have new graduates there.
The San Antonio Riverwalk is 15 miles long, including the downtown, Mission, and Museum reaches. Look at the contrast between the old architecture and the new modern architecture. I love that. They did a good job to keep the old architecture. It's called historic preservation. Urban historic preservation.
It's a historical building.
See, historical building.
Inside here's where you don't have the numbers. Here's so far.
That's what I was talking about. It's a historic building. Good job, San Antonio. Personally, I consider the Riverwalk is the best of Texas. Sightseeing, shopping, food, and fun, all on a world-renowned 15-mile urban waterway. The Riverwalk, or Paseo del Rio, is a San Antonio treasure and the largest urban ecosystem in the nation. Tucked quietly below street level and only steps away from the Alamo, it provides a serene and pleasant way to navigate the city. You can explore by foot along the river's walking path or jump aboard a river barge for a ride and guided tour. In the heart of downtown, you can explore nearby attractions like the Alamo, the King William Historic District, and more. La Villita, located on the southern bank of the famed San Antonio Riverwalk, La Villita now occupies one artsy square block in the heart of downtown San Antonio. The artisan village is listed on the U.S. government's National Register of Historic Places, featuring architectural styles that range from adobe structures to early Victorian and Texas vernacular limestone buildings. Today, La Villita is a treasured artisan and entrepreneur district with over 25 shops and galleries that showcase local handmade goods and home to over 200 events a year. Very sketchy. Grandpa's liquor store. Inside there's like a prison. Completely different. Alright, I came to the Grandpa's liquor store and it's like a jail. See, you cannot go inside. You have to order via here. This is the end of the Riverwalk of San Antonio by JJW travel videos and artworks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell button. Thank you for watching.